If you've lost access to your Rainbow Wallet account and don't have your phone number, you can still recover your account by following these steps. This guide will walk you through the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Rainbow Wallet website. Go to the official Rainbow Wallet website or open the app. Look for the login or recovery options available on the homepage. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use Shrug to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Rainbow Wallet account. This is crucial as it will be used to send your recovery instructions. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Rainbow Wallet in your inbox. Follow the instructions provided in the email to reset your password or recover your account. Step 5. Create a new password. After following the email instructions, you will be prompted to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before for added security. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to access your Rainbow Wallet account without your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Rainbow Wallet's customer support for further assistance.